Thanks for logging on to KOCO.com or the KOCO mobile app. I'm meteorologist Sabrina Bates with a look at your forecast for the start of your week. It's going to be cold tonight. We're going to see these snow flurries really taper off for the rest of this evening. Dry air moves in. After that, we are just talking about those dangerous wind chills. It's going to be feeling below zero, single digits into tomorrow morning, and we stay high temperature wise even below freezing in the afternoons through about Wednesday. Cold weather advisory overnight tonight into early Monday morning until about 9 a.m. This advisory replaces the old wind chill advisory. It's still the same though, letting us know we are looking at dangerously cold wind chills outside. So we go into later this evening, into the overnight. Many of us northern Oklahoma feeling like we are going to be below zero, especially into tomorrow morning. I know a lot of folks headed back to work after the holidays. Some kids headed back to school. I know some kids start later this week, but you want to make sure that you bundle up. Even OKC Metro feeling almost near zero. Cold weather continues throughout the morning. Even into the afternoon, we are still going to be feeling like we are in the 20s. Temperature wise, we are going to be seeing those temperatures tomorrow afternoon. They're going to be in the 30s, near 30 for many of us. So pipe dripping weather even as we head overnight. So cold the next few days. Be sure to stay tuned to KOCO tomorrow morning on your Monday, and we'll talk about the next chance for snow we're tracking into Oklahoma.